Yeah, I just want to show you another really incredible feature that Inbenta has to offer. So we're looking at our chatbot again, identifies me as Jane. I'm going to do something like, it's my time off pulse. And here you go. Jane's a Canadian employee. We've listed some information about her time off. But now imagine that Jane, as a Canadian employee, she only speaks French. So she's going to ask the exact same question in French. Right away, the bot understands that she's changing languages and changes to French immediately. It provides the exact same answer in French. What's important to note here is that this is actually the same English answer that is real-time translated to French. The reason this is important is because you don't have to manage multiple language versions of your knowledge base. It's a single knowledge base that's available in over 35 languages that can be real-time translated. Let's take this one step further. Imagine that Jane needs to escalate to a human. So for whatever reason, Jane wants to do an escalation. You can see that all the prompts right now are appearing in French, and it's asking Jane if there's something that she could summarize what she wants to ask. So in this case, we're going to ask, where should I afford my expenses? Great. So here I see Jane with her question. But you'll notice that my interface is English because maybe I'm an only English-speaking agent. So let's try that again. Let's see what happens if I say, hello, I'll do my best to help you. Jump over here, and you can see that me as the agent, I am real-time translating my English response into French. So if Jane re-asks the question, just to continue the conversation, you can see that her original question is placed here, but it's also being real-time translated. Another thing that's incredible about our platform is that I can actually search for this directly. And you can see that it's searched the knowledge base and found a particular article that we think is relevant. To whom should I send my expense report? So because Jane is in Canada, she needs to send it to John Smith. And I can insert that right here. You can see that I pasted this in English. But right here, the answer is actually in French. So again, we can provide real-time translations between agents and end users so that you don't need to ensure capacity of your agents in any particular region or language is available.